Managing trip locations. CloudTrans helps you easily manage your locations for your passengers. Getting locations right is key for trouble-free trips, so let's dive into it. We'll start by taking a look at how to work with locations while booking trips. CloudTrans keeps two different address books for passengers. One address book is the private address book for the passenger. This tracks all the addresses that have ever been used for the passenger. Anytime an address gets used to transport a passenger, that address will be added to the passenger's personal address book, and you can easily reuse that address in the future just by selecting its name from the drop-down menu. No need to re-enter it. This is the best place to store a passenger's home address, for example. The second address book is the Shared Locations address book. This address book is best used for locations that are common between many passengers, such as hospitals or clinics. Using this address book for these locations makes it a snap to schedule trips for any of your passengers to the locations. Just search for the name and select it. Once a passenger has a trip scheduled to a shared location, it will then be remembered in their own address book as well. You can always add, edit, or delete any of these addresses right from the trip booking screen. Let's add a new pickup location for a passenger. Click the Add New Location button. Is this an address that makes the most sense to keep just for this passenger, like their home address? Or is it an address that many passengers might share? For personal locations, you just need to enter an address, while shared locations have some extra fields to enter. In this example, we're going to add a shared location. Give the location a descriptive name, such as Home or St. Mary's Hospital. For our example, we set the location type to Hospital. Shared locations require a phone number to be entered. Next, enter the physical street address. Never put things like apartments, suites, or building numbers in the street address. Those belong in the Address To line. Finish the address by entering the city, state, and zip. You can optionally enter information like an ID for the location, contact person information, or descriptive notes. We're ready to click Create Location. Because accurate addresses are so important, CloudTrans will often ask you to verify them when saving, and will try to confirm the address with Google. If Google does not have high confidence that the address looks correct, CloudTrans will show you a pop-up asking you to confirm it and may offer alternatives. Anytime you see a pop-up like this, take an extra moment and really check the address. Seeing this dialog does not mean the address is wrong, but it does suggest you should take an extra moment to verify it. One last thing to know about locations is there are two other places you can manage them other than during trip booking. For a passenger's private address book, you can easily work with those right in the passenger's record. Simply pull up a passenger and scroll down to their locations. From here you can add, edit, or delete any of their locations. For shared locations, simply search for the location, then scroll down to the physical location to manage it. And that's everything you need to know to manage locations for your passengers in CloudTrans.